Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Joe Gone Fishing. I'm out here at Cameron Park, close by, where I just got a job interview. You guys can see my outfit, but yeah, I just came back from a job orientation, so this is why I'm looking like this. So yeah, just it's close by, so that's why I plan to stop here and fish. Haven't been fishing here for a while. It's been like about 2 years, so hopefully it's good out here. There's a lot of fishermen out here, but stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for all the like and support, all my fellow YouTubers that subscribe to my YouTuber. Hey, soon enough, probably when I get to 500 subs, I'll probably do a live giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So let's go catch them biggins. Alright guys, I'm at the first spot. Just seems I have spot a couple of the bass right here, small ones, but first spot. I'm gonna be casting right now. See one small one right here. It's like roaming around. Hopefully he wants this. But yep. It's a pretty small one. It's not even a pound. Doesn't even look like a pound. I don't know, there's a lot of fishermen out here, so probably they're all like scared, pressured so much that they probably won't even bite today. But water, wow, it's pretty, looks, pretty deep than last time I came here. I mean, not deep, but water got high out there. But yep, gonna do my best catch fish for you guys. If I can see some fish on the bed, I will try to aim for them. Yeah. I say there's about there's a couple of fish here, and a couple of fishermen here. That's what I was trying to say. I said I just came back for a job orientation. Oh, is that a duck right there? Poor duck. I think that's a baby duck right there. Just lying down right there. So what I tied on right now on this one, I have a weightless Senko. I might have to add a weight on it. I don't know yet. We'll just have to see how the fish reacts today. Maybe I have to go wacky rig, But yeah. There's a baby duck right there that's dead. Kind of bad. Yeah, come on. Where's all the fish? Probably too pressure here. I don't know. Man. Unless this is not falling deep enough or fast enough. I'll try my best. Right now it's like 3:24, almost 3:25, so it's almost 3:30, and I have about sundown. It's pretty cloudy today, but 7:30, probably time to go home. 7:30. Didn't want to go home right now because with all this traffic and everything, so I decided to fish here. I didn't want. I can't beat the traffic out here in Sacramento. But I am in El Dorado Hills. If you guys want to know where this this fishing area is, it's called Cameron Park Community. It's a catch and release facility. I like this. I like this. It's pretty big. It's not that small. So, but I am trying my best out here. There's a couple of fish here. And like laying there, swimming around. I just need. I've been kind of dry on fish, catching fish. So I'm trying my best out here, catch a fish. There's this fish roaming around, but not biting. Probably because it could see me, but do my best. Yeah. I might go frogging probably when the sun goes down, kind of almost like saw about like 6. But I don't know, it's cloudy today, so I don't know if they want that or not. I'll try my best. Anything today?
I'm done. I've caught 10 or 12.
Pressure? Too much pressure here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, they're here.
Got 10.
Oh, that's nice.
Don't try and really go for the ones on the beds.
Oh yeah?
Those ones are pressured way too much.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure a lot of people saw them on beds and they're just catching them. I'm trying my best. I just got here, so. Yeah, there you go. He catches some. Like he didn't catch any. I might have to add weight on this guy. Let's see. Let me reel back in. Add some weight on this. Be right back. There you go, guys. Got that fish. Got him. Just a male. There you go. Wacky rig. So hopefully it works more. Catch more fish. So this side just another one. Oh, Wacky rig doing the trick right now. Oh my gosh, good one. Oh, Wacky rig doing the job. Oh, quick release. All right, Wacky rig it is. Doing the job. Caught two right here. My first time using Wacky rig, so it's good to catch them on Wacky rig. Ooh, I thought I got another one. Just missed it. Nope, I guess not. Nope. Let's see the action. Alright. It's pretty good action. Got a bite. Take it. Take it. Small one. The small one. Yeah. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. The small one. Alright guys, there's one fish on bed in here. Let's try wacky rig it right now. See if he wants it. Got him this time. Got him this time. Got him this time. Whoa. Hee hee, got you this time. Damn. Took me hella long. Wait. Calm down, calm down. Wow. Chimo, go chop what the heck. Calm down. Wow. Oh, I guess going back. There you go. Alright guys, we have officially ended our episode today at Cameron Park. It was, a tough day for me. I didn't know what they wanted. Everybody, all the fish was on bed, especially all the males was on the beds, and everybody was just, focusing on them. Probably, I got here at 3, so probably, before 3, there's a lot of people here already, and just catching, the fish that were on their beds. Man, in the end, figured out what they wanted through a wacky rig, and caught like probably 4 or 5 of them. The first one I caught was just throwing that KVD crawl, and then just pitching in that in their nests, or you say their beds, and the male just came and took it. So that one took me probably like, I say about 5 minutes. The rest, the last one that I got, it took me like 10 minutes because I hooked my finger afterwards, where I brought him up and he was shaking everywhere. But the hook hooked me a little bit on the thumb, but it's alright. Just a little blood. But yeah, today was okay. At least I caught some fish for you guys. And this is my second time out here. It's really tough out here when it's so much pressure out here. Hopefully in the summer it'll be much better, where all the fish spawn already, and all the fish just looking for a meal, and every cast you'll catch fish out here. Haven't seen the big mamas out here. Haven't seen any big ones actually. I can tell you that for sure, because all the male is just on beds, and the female is there's some small females, not that big. It's just like kind of like a little bit bigger than the male. Um, but most of all, yeah, I can't. I have not seen any big fish at all here. So hopefully next time, or probably whenever, I'll come back here and catch more fish for you guys. Since I know what they want. So this is Joe Gone Fishing signing out, guys. Peace out.